Hello guys, welcome back to second day class. Okay, today we are going to see about the shape description. So this shape description is a major thing. We want to know the everything, the design and everything should be represented in the shape only. So what are the things or in major role in shape description? We can see it now. So shape description. So shape description is divided into two types. One is plain geometric diagram and second one is solid geometric diagrams. So nothing. It's simply we are saying it as 2D and 3D. 2D diagrams and 3D diagrams. So most familiar of the civil engineering and mechanical engineering students are have a knowledge on 2D and 3D diagrams. And at starting of engineering, some students also go for the classes of EG, so they also get idea in 2D and 3D. So in our life, everything we are moving with the 2D and 3D designs only. So at first we can say a easy example for 2D is the SketchUp. The SketchUp is the easiest and simplest thing we can do, easy to learn and easy to create it, because there is no need of any knowledge or everything. There is no rule to say first that says you can have a 2D diagram layout instead of SketchUp. Generally drawing easier with the sketches, and then the layout can could make a 2D model to SketchUp. So if you want, you can model it become as a 3D also in future. So basically we can have a 2D diagram by sketching it and what are the things required and what are the things we should have. After that we can move it as a own design and should be described on what are the things should have. Everything can be planned easily. So basically the 2D have this idea. And after that when we are coming to 3D, the 3D modeling is a major thing. We having more ideas and everything else. And there is a lot to come in 3D, because if you're opening for 3D, we should go for a idea of 3D in softwares and designs, how we can have a idea to what are the things we want to do and what are the plans, how was the backside, and everything should be planned very elaborately, and that should be developed with more knowledge and more skills we should be developed in 2D. After that only we can move to the 3D itself. We can have a basic knowledge in the 2D, but it can be easily learned with a short term. There should be a prior experience is required anyway for 2D also. After the coming for 3D, there should be more experience and more knowledge should be acquired for the 3D. So basic of the things, the descriptions, the EG is moved on. So on this, the first we are going to see about the plain geometric diagrams. So plain geometric diagrams, that is known as 2D. So 2D, the 2D is a geometric diagram that represents the objective of the shape with the two dimension, because it has a length and height. That's all. There is no any other dimensions which are included on that on your drawing sheet. Um, for example, we can take this square or anything else. The square does not have any changes. It have only length and only height. Everything it has four also equal. So this can be taken on that example. Next we are going for triangle, means also it has only two dimensions or less. So this is the major thing, the objective we can represent on this. So plain geometric diagram is easy to know that plain. It's very plain. It's easy to draw. It's not a very difficult decision or difficult sizes and different sizes and curves and everything to express on that. It's not as that much of struggle on that. It is very simple. We can know about it very easily and we can express it easily. This is the basic thing we want to know at first. After that we are coming to this is also known as 2D. So now we can have some idea about and some discussions about 2D just now. So what are the 2D software we can use in our daily life? So we can say 2D software. 2D software, basically the 2D program has been running on the AutoCAD, which is developed by the Autodesk. So it is also used for 2D and 3D softwares. It is used on architectural and mechanical projects also. So for example, if you are creating a blueprints or engineering plans, so this tool can set a complete set for you and work on both 2D and 3D files. So if you're having a basic 2D idea, you can go for a design of building or anything. So 3D, 2D, you can prefer the AutoCAD for 2D now. But still, we can say it's a very good combination to use 2D. For example, many of the people have the question, is easy for learning the AutoCAD is, but it's if you have zero computer aided design experience, you may find AutoCAD more complicated than someone in the prior knowledge, because it's some difficult. That's not say the learning AutoCAD is impossible, but in that you should to become the master of the courses, it takes some time and practice on drawing 2D itself. So the practice makes you perfect on the drawings. So it takes some time. So for example, if you have completed a AutoCAD in 2D design itself, most of the people are getting the good salaries, like in the basic salary of basic designs in construction industries. So if you are going for good in the AutoCAD, you can get good salaries also in future. So in basic, we are going about in the AutoCAD in the 2D. So first we can know about the SketchUps and everything. We can have a design in AutoCAD and Autodesk Inventor or anything else. If you are doing, we can use 2D softwares on that. Okay, at next we can go about the three-dimensional drawing or solid geometrical drawing. So solid geometrical drawing is known as drawing that represent the objects of the three dimension. For example, it's representing the three dimension. For example, we can have a cone or sphere or etc. Anything else which is representing in the drawing sheet is known as solid geometrical drawings. So in this drawing, how we can draw? So using the paper, we can have some tools and everything we are drawing. For in the advanced level of computer, in the three steps I already told you. So at first freehand, after using instruments, after having the computer. So on this computer, what are the things, what are the software or major playing? So 3D, we are all know it's a 3D was majorly now playing the role on this. We can know the what are the softwares we have and day to day life, what are the softwares are evolving on around us, such as AutoCAD, SolidWorks and 𝐶𝐻 or evaluating the design performance required. And for example, if you are going for a work or job, what are the software which was best for mechanical engineers should have at least two of them. They are saying that is the first one is CAD. Next they are saying as a FIA. Next for Microsoft Excel and etc. It was coming from out of the departments. But at first they are asking the primarily they are asking AutoCAD or finite element for the mechanical core companies itself. So if you're having the knowledge on developing on that basic core knowledge, you can easily overcome interview in future also. We are having some of the softwares where saying SolidWorks is the best and ever software for 3D diagrams, because AutoCAD is evolving on both 2D and 3D, but SolidWorks is evolving for purely we can use it on the 3D itself, because the SolidWorks is dependent on 3D designs and they're very good to easy to evaluate and 3D models simulate designs and generate detailed drawings than widely used products. So we are using mechanically the designs and everything in SolidWorks, and from that we can also use CATIA. CATIA is a comprehensive CAD CAM CAE software suite developed by its Dassault system. So we can also use the CATIA on the also in our daily life. At next, what are the software of a mechanical engineer should study in the basics? They are asking the regular questions in the 3D design. We are coming on that. We cannot start. We can go for AutoCAD. It's a Autodesk product. After that, we can go for SolidWorks or CATIA. So these are the things major role we are having. And now the Fusion 360 is evolving. We all know Fusion 360 is better than SolidWorks, or most of the questions surrounding on the 3D designing field. So you can think Fusion thing is offering wider range of features such as basic package without as a depth each features. We can get a SolidWorks same number of base package, but it does not provide more depth on function it's offer. So we can use Fusion 360, but SolidWorks is basically and it was requirement in the most of the companies. So that's why we are using SolidWorks. And so much of people have this confusion: SolidWorks or CATIA, which is best? So or both are powerful CAD software, option to use professional in the variety of industries. So it is no SolidWorks is known as a user-friendly interface and easy to use, but CATIA is advanced capability and ability to handle with the complex designs. So CATIA is having very complex design and everything, but it is ability to we should have more time and knowledge to expose on the CATIA. But SolidWorks is not like that. After completing the AutoCAD also or directly you can also move to SolidWorks sometimes, and you can have a basic knowledge of the designs and everything. You can easily proceed on that. Okay, which AutoCAD is best for mechanical, we can say. Why the AutoCAD is why best for mechanical engineering? On that point, the AutoCAD is working on two and things. The mechanical engineer who needs specialized tools and mechanical engineer design auto, so it's better choice. If you're going for the industry, at first we should have a shape description everything. So you are going to planning for your future. I'm saying these ideas everything. So just plan focus on design. If you're going for a design field, they are engineers or everyone. Just go through the 2D 3D design software, everything. This is the basic drawing we are going to learn in EG. After that, in future we are going to drive everything in the softwares and everything to be evolved. So just have an idea on the glance whatever I told today. So this is the wind upping of the time of this class. Just have an idea of the everything. Just refer with the videos and knowledge previously. If you missed the previous video, don't forget to watch it, because after watching that you can get a clear view on this video also. Okay, after going to the next video, complete the quiz in the below given. Okay, thank you guys for making a wonderful time. See you in the next class. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you want to obtain a completion certificate, please click the link to our site. Sign up and choose the course level. It is mandatory to watch all the videos and finish the corresponding quiz within the time limit to unlock the final quiz. Get your course completion certificate after completing the final quiz of that level. Happy learning!